Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you a Windows setting that is causing huge performance loss, stutters, input lag, input delay, and making your computer much more sluggish and laggy. So for that setting to be disabled, you first need to click on the start menu icon, then click on all apps, then scroll down to the bottom and click on Windows security. Now you need to click on app and browser control. Now click on the Smart App Control settings, which you can find below the Smart App Control. Now you need to turn this setting to off. And after turning this setting off, you will notice much more faster performance from your PC. Your input lag, input delay, and stutters will be reduced. But make sure that you are not installing any unwanted software like programs that contains viruses, pirated games, etc. So after turning this setting off, then you can close this page and make sure to restart your PC. So after restarting your PC, you will notice much more smoother and faster performance out of your PC, and your games will have much more FPS, and you will enjoy your PC much more because your lag will be gone. So I will be making a lot of more Windows optimization videos like this, so don't forget to leave a like and stay tuned for the upcoming Windows setting videos, and thanks for watching.